Good morning, everyone. Taco here with T&T Group, posting this webcast for NakedTrader.com. Time is about 5:45 over here in Chicago, and the date is January 28th, 2011. And if you can't see here, I got my Eurostoxx 3000 hat on, trying to imitate a little bit on CNBC and what they do over there. We did hit 3000 here overnight in the Eurostoxx, so we can get a little clap. Yesterday I wasn't here, and we did hit 3,000, but I wasn't here. So overnight, saw it with my own eyes, traded on it. So I brought out the 3,000 hat for the Eurostoxx. The next level in these equities, I mean, we hit 12,000 in the Dow Jones. Hit 3,000 now in the Eurostoxx, and the next big level is that 1,300 level in the S&P minis, and we're trading 1296 right now. So we're creeping. We got equities unchanged right now. I think the high we made, I think it was yesterday, was about 1298 half. So we're right there. That's the next big number, big kind of mental area that everyone has. So once we hit that, we got the trifecta with the Eurostoxx, the Dow Jones, and the S&Ps. So once again, the 3,000 level in the Eurostoxx overnight hit it. We're just hanging around there right now, trading 3,002. Overnight here, nothing really going on. No numbers wise, no big news events, nothing really to drive these markets, and that's exactly what happened. They're just slow, nothing really moving them, and kind of a chop fest right away. But it grinded. Equities just grinded higher the rest of the night, and Euro as well. Not much movement. It was one of those nights that kind of bored you to death. If you weren't disciplined and just kept your hands off, you could probably get chopped around a little bit. But once again, just kind of a disciplined trade, just real slow, methodical. There's nothing really going on. We did see a big move here in the yen about 10 minutes ago. We hit stops in the yen to the upside. 121.10 about triggered the stops. Straight shot up to 121.55, the new high. And we've taken pretty much the whole move back now since the downgrade of Japan. I believe 121.70, 71 area, that was pretty much the high before the S&P downgrade of Japan. So watch that level, 121.71, if we get up there, and also 121.10. It's where we just trigger stops in the yen. So watch those two areas as something of concern in this yen. Pretty amazing that we've taken back pretty much the whole move, about 20 ticks away. That's it, though. There's nothing else really going on. I've talked about this a little bit before, but to me, these markets really lately are just one huge puzzle piece. Like I pretty much, my main focus is Euro, S&P, Eurostoxx, oil, gold. Looking at boons and 30 years, and that's pretty much my main products I'm watching. And then I got the side products of copper, Aussie, things like that. Don't really trade them, but just kind of keep an eye on them. But those main products, it seems like I walk in and everything is kind of distorted and out of whack, and you really got to come in and focus and figure out that one product or that two product that is it the lagger or is it the leader? Is the Euro the leader, or is it lagging for that particular day compared to everything else? Or is it the Eurostoxx on that day, or is it the boons? So really that's the trade, and that's what I've been trying to focus on lately. And I get whipped around at first trying to figure it out, wrong sometimes right away on what I think the wrong product is, but once you start figuring it out, you can kind of get that one main idea or two main ideas and kind of go with it the rest of the night. But that's kind of what I've been seeing here into this new year. That's how I've been trading it. That's it, though, from here. Nothing else to really report on or talk about. Once again, a real slow night, but Andrew Taco here with T&T Group, posting this again for NakedTrader.com. Check out their website. Check out our blog also, depending on if you're on Naked Trader website or taking a look on our blog for this. Some good stuff. Andrew Taco, thanks again. Good trading.